Yeah, so welcome car people back again at our greatest series, Assetto Corsa EVO. It's our carbon series, you know. Today we're going to be doing a racing one license. As you can see, I got only a few licenses here and we need to get another 3. So that's kind of obvious. Today we're gonna do race 1 and race 2 on 2 stars to be perfect or on 1 star to be great. Also, we got a brand new news. What is going actually inside the Kuno Simulazioni, their headquarters, and they told us it was going great. They're working now on the newest update and it seems like it is going to be actually good. They're going to add 6 new cars, new maps and a multiplayer mode, which I'm really hyped for, because if we, oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my, because if we are going to get multiplayer, it is going to be a really more cool, and I can make more content for you from the multiplayer, also make some shorts from it, and lots of other content, because multiplayer games are really booming right now. So we got a wet track here, and we need to focus really much on everything. Also, as I didn't say, Kunos is also like really now focusing on patching things up, such as you can see in my previous videos, like the destroyed physics sometimes and the disconnecting from the online mode. They're also going to introduce a brand new offline mode, which is great in my opinion. Now, where do I go here? I don't remember that, but I know in the last video I drove this racetrack. Oh, it's right over here. And we didn't even get 1 star. We failed it, so we need to do it again and again and again. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this Mazda, but it got like 5,000 horsepower or something, because I drove in the 3rd gear there and it just got me off like nothing. Alright, so now we are going to go normally, as normally humans will do, at least do the 1 star, because if I don't do the 1 star, this video is going to be really long, which I don't want to, because the Assetto Corsa series has to be short enough for you to watch and then just like go to sleep or do anything else. And don't watch YouTube video for 30 minutes, because it's kind of pointless. Even I don't like watching these long videos, because they are just waste of time. And I got spent over again, and this was crazy. Like, what was that spin-off? Alright, now I'm in 3rd person. Now let's see if it will go much better or much worse from this position, because I can see most of the things here and I can watch over things. So let's see. We're going to go right over here. We need to brake. We need to go right. Do not oversteer. We almost oversteered because there was a puddle there. You see there are puddles here, or you probably don't see it. I see it. Now let's go left. We need to brake. Then we need to accelerate. Go right over here. Brake. We need to go over here. Do not oversteer. Do not over... You kidding me? Like, what is this? Are we gambling with oversteering, or like what the hell? You just floor it like there's no tomorrow. And the clutch doesn't work, as always, Mazda, right? And now it works, like what the hell? We gotta go right over here. We need to brake a little just. We're gonna floor it again. And then we're gonna floor it. Oh my... What the hell is this? Destroying my table, but I don't care. Throttle, boom, 3rd gear, boom, 4th gear. We're gonna go left here. We're gonna brake and then go like straight up left, straight up. We're gonna send it full throttle. We're gonna send it again. Boom, full throttle. Floor. Another. Boom. We're gonna downshift. Boom. We're gonna up here. We're gonna not oversteer. Full throttle. We're gonna floor it. Boom. There's the finish. There's the finish. We're probably gonna get 2 stars. Or not. We did not. But we got 1 star with 10,000 XP and 8,500 credits, which is awesome. And now let's get to the second one, because this was pain in the bikini bottom. Now it's not raining, at least that's a good thing, because we can now unleash the beast of the Mazda and just floor it down as always. So go to left here. Yeah, this car has no grip. I don't touch my wheel, I just like touch my pedals, and this car has absolutely no grip. Alright, so my game went offline for a few seconds, but now let's get a perfect lap here for the 2nd try. So let's floor it here. Boom. Gonna go all over here. Alright, we need to get our time to 51. Max. My god, where's the fourth gear? I hate the gearbox. Oh no, I don't hate gearbox. I love manual cars, but the gearbox with this is really annoying because, like, you won't fit the 4 in. The car will just spin out and just say, get out, man. Now we're entering this really weird corner, which I'm supposed to go left, and I would just go on the second gear because I think it's really dangerous here. And now we throttle. We almost got the 2 stars, but we got a 1 star, 14,000 XP, which is mind-blowing. But now let's get the 2 stars at least on here, because here it seems much more easier than on the wet track. So I'm gonna return to you when I get 2 stars or a good run.
2 hours later.
I got such a record-breaking time that they could not retrieve data, and statistics will be added to my profile later. What it means is they freakingly doomed it. So we got both on 1 stars. This was supposed to be 2 stars, but it just didn't record it. It just turned off or whatever. So for that reason, that's the end. The third one, fourth one, and fifth one we'll do in the next part of Racing 1 license. Then we're gonna do Racing 2 license, where it's beautiful on 2, and Racing 3, where there's combination of few cars, which is Mercedes and is Ferrari. So yeah, thanks for watching till the end. See you sometimes later, and stay carbonized.